Alrighty guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the classic men's Oxford style shoes from Shenbo. Shenbo. They're, I guess, a company that manufactures really nice looking but also incredibly affordable shoes. And these, Oxford style shoes are simple, stylish, sleek, all that jazz. Really great for casual or dressy occasions, whatever you're getting into. The reason I got these is I actually needed them for a gig that I was playing. And these aren't totally my style. If I'm doing nice stuff, I'm usually rocking boots. So this is my first time buying Oxfords. I didn't really want to buy an expensive pair because I didn't know if I was going to wear them all the time. But the cool thing is, once I got these, and they are extremely cheap, by the way. And the reason I still have them is because I just really like them, and I actually ended up wearing them all the time. Yeah, they're great. So I got more than what I had originally expected, I guess you could say. As for the build on these things, you really do get what you pay for, obviously. The build, they're totally synthetic leather all over. They are not real leather by any means. They do a pretty good job at getting the look of leather down for sure. Like, if you put these, if you're looking at them from a good distance, and then you were also looking at a pair of real leather Oxfords, you'd probably have a hard time telling the difference. They're really comfortable to wear. I don't feel like they copped out on the comfort of the shoe for the price. They have this like nice open cell kind of foam cushioning on the inside. Stand for long periods of time and not have your feet hurting when you're done, like you get with some pairs of dress shoes. Stitching on it, for the most part, it's been pretty durable. There's been no problems with it coming undone, and I actually started wearing these quite often, so the stitching seems to be pretty good. It's not coming loose or anything like that. You have a nice stacked heel on the bottom right here. Gives a little boost. It's a really nice height in my opinion. Not too big especially for this kind of shoe. They just really nailed that Oxford look all around, which is really nice. Laces are pretty solid as well. They don't come like this. I tied them a bit differently, so they're inside the shoe now because I like that look. I don't like the laces flopping around. They're pretty good. They hold up. They look nice. The brown on brown looks nice. So it kind of hides them a bit, which is cool. Yeah. I would say, one thing to keep in mind if you are ordering these, they do run a bit small. You always have to be wary about that with dress shoes, but especially these, I think they do manufacture them outside the country somewhere, and I'm a 9.5 size shoe, and I ordered mine in a 10 just because I figured they would be a size too big or size too small, and the 10s fit perfectly, so definitely something to note. But all around, these shoes aren't really the best quality. Again, they're very cheap, so you're not going to be getting something that's going to be long lasting. I don't know if you can really totally tell, but you can see that there are some black blotches or spots that are along this part of the shoe. That's just, I think it's honestly just from like condensation or maybe like little drops of water that have spilled on it. And I assume these shoes are dyed, because this isn't real leather, so there must be like some really cheap dye that they're using to put on this material, whatever this material is. Totally synthetic, and I think it's just it wears off easy. So if you're going to be around any wet areas, these might not be the best shoes, because they're just really not made to last, I don't think. Other than that, if you want a classy looking pair of shoes, you don't have a ton of money to spend, or you just don't want to spend a ton of money and you want to get something that looks good, looks pretty decent, I would definitely go for these. Again, they're the Shenbo Simple Classic Men's Oxford Shoes. yeah, you know, they're pretty good looking. Alrighty, stay classy, y'all. Bye.